Right, so just for the sake of it, I thought I'd take this thing apart, which is the dry bulb tensioner on my Touran. No particular reason, I just thought I'd do it. So I hit it with a big hammer there, and it came in half, sort of, like so. So basically there is nothing in there at all. But there is this big spring. And that basically is all that's in there. Hang on, I'll take that out. So, like I said, all you got is this big spring. And that is a big spring. Wouldn't kick a motorbike over if that was on it. And this bit of plastic is obviously a ratchety or a guide plate of some sort. So really, not much in there at all. Pretty boring really. There you go, that's what it is.